Hi, this is Roger. Welcome. This episode I will show you the F-18 with the wings folded. I will try to fly and let's see what's happened. So I started to taxi to the runway. In this position you see the wings unfolded. I'm going to a position where I can unfold the wings. And here I'm turning from the main runway, lining up with the white stripes. Well, now you see the wings goes up. I'm going to fold them and lock them in place. And now when you look at the plane, my first thought was, this is not going to fly. How is it possible to do that? Well, the F-18 has very, what do you say, wide wings, so it might be possible. 11s. Well, I'm going very fast. Two engines, and now you see I'm in the air. Well, what I was about to say earlier was it has F-18 has two powerful engines. Now I'm folding the landing gear. Oh, and well, yes, powerful engines. It's like placing two powerful jet engines on a bike or something like that. It will fly. So now I'm going to try to do some maneuvers. I'm going to perform a roll, and then I'm going to take the skies and doing some kind of, what they say in English, loop. And there we have it, a roll. Oh, there comes another one, because the air was unstable. The aircraft was unstable. We're unstable. Okay, I'm turning to the skies. Doing a turnaround, upside down, back again. Very smoothly. Upside down. Going down. Well, this looks actually very smooth. And the wings unfolded. No, folded. Well, there you have it. Loop, I call it in Swedish. We're back on the track. It looks kind of odd, I have to admit. Actually, I read a story about this on a carrier, but it was back in the days when they were flying the F-14 Tomcat or older. Actually, there was a pilot who forgot to unfold the wings, and he was started by the catapult, and he got up in the air but barely. He almost touched the water, but he turned around and landed on the carrier again. And then he was pissed off about his mechanics. A little unstable in the air it is. I'm doing some maneuvers, some left turn, and here you see I'm unfolding the wings in there again. I don't think you can do that in the real world. There are several, what do you say, the forces in the air would have teared apart the unfolding sequence, I think. I'm doing a very bright turn here, doing some really rolls with the wings unfolded. And now you can see that everything is going very smooth as it shall be. That it should be. Well, there I'm unfolding the landing gear. I'm extending the landing gear is the right term. Okay, so I have folded the wings. I have unfolded the wings, and now I'm going to the base, to the landing, to the runway again, and land the plane. This is kind of incredible. This is not something you see every day. An airplane with its wings folded and flying in the air. Incredible. But I really love this simulator, DCS. It's the best of the best. In my opinion. Okay, going to slow down the speed. Going in for the landing. With the wings unfolded. Soon. And there we have it. Touchdown. I'm back on the ground again. Hold. And I'm braking. So, this was fun. And now you see I'm folding the wings again. Well, you see, in DCS it worked kind of well, but I promise you, in the real world it wouldn't, because the flight control system would have said, no, you can't do this. I can't give you, the pilot, the commands to do the rudders fully out and in. So definitely not. But this was real fun to show you that in the simulator this is a thing you can do, and I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. The next episode will be about Attack Helicopter 64. Don't forget to thumb up, and I love to see one comment for you or several. I wish you the best. Bye.